Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with a beautiful dot mandala in this 12-inch board, and this board is square in shape, not round. I'll keep center dot in antique gold. I'll keep some dots in coral. I'll keep tiny dots in coral. I'll keep dots in gold. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll keep coral dots in oval shape. I'll keep brush strokes in gold. I'll keep coral dots in drop shape. I'll keep brush strokes in antique gold. I'll keep brush strokes in coral. I'll keep swipes in gold. I'll keep coral dots. I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll keep dots in gold. I'll keep dots in coral. I'll work the dots in coral. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep brush strokes in gold. I'll keep brush strokes in coral. I'll keep golden dots in oval shape. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'm sure all of you love this simple mandala. Thank you for watching.